Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Lee, and today's video is about transforming our laundry room. I know not exactly the most ideal thing you want to transform in your home, but as a trophy wife, let me just say this is very important because I do all the laundry. And both our washer and dryer are front loaders, so they sit on the ground. So you literally have to be kind of a Cirque du Soleil acrobatic, stand on your head type of individual to do laundry. My ideal plan, if it works out the way I hope, is to raise both the washer and the dryer about 7 or 8 inches, to rip out all the metal shelving that you see behind me and put in new wooden shelving that will actually hold more weight and be more supported. I'd also like to, if I can, if my 7 or 8 inches of moving the washer and dryer up is not too much, I intend to build a shelf that will lay right over top of both the washer and dryer that will allow me to stack things on. I won't really say a folding table because I'm raising the washer and dryer up, so it's not really going to be a folding table, but it will be a table that will hold things, which would be nice. So let's go see what we can do. Let's go to the garage. All right guys, we're in the garage, and for today's project, to start us out, I've got some landscaping timbers. These are guys that I used in another project, but I had quite a big piece left over, so thankfully I think they're going to be perfect for our legs in this application to raise up the washer and dryer. I also have a 2x4 here. This guy we're going to use to frame in the legs that will actually hold the weight of the washer and dryer. So let me get to cutting this stuff and get it ready for the next step. So I've taken the 2x4 shown and cut it down to the appropriate sizes I need for my washer and dryer. All I'm doing here is assembling. I do recommend pre-drilling these before you screw them in, just to keep it from splitting. I encountered a little bit of that there with my first screw and had to backtrack a little bit to fix that problem. Once I have the frame made out, next step is to put in my blocks. Those I've also cut to the appropriate size that I want them to be to raise the washer and dryer up to a certain height. Personal preference, obviously, but that's what worked for me. So the next step is just to attach them to the frame that I've already created. Again, I am pre-drilling my hose just to be on the safe side. Okay guys, we have the frame all squared up and done. So now we got to put a cover on the top. So I'm thinking this board you see behind me is what we're going to use for that application. So I must get to cutting. You don't need to see that. Okay guys, got the boards cut. I went ahead and cut them for both of the washer and the dryer. Figured it was much easier that way. So let's see how well we did on our measurements. So now we're going to secure this down. Okay guys, next step is to give these a nice clean coat of paint so they look nice and not all woody. I have chosen a color that we had on hand, so this is the perfect paint for these applications, and I have quite a bit of it. It'd be really nice if painting was this quick and, well, this easy, but it's not. Well guys, it's a new day. I'm working on the laundry room and my platforms, and the dryer hose was a worthy adversary today, and it won. But it's okay. I'm not done. I will get a new dryer hose. I got the washer and dryers on the platforms. I don't know if you can see that or not, but they are actually raised up. Unfortunately, there was a slight flaw in my plans. I didn't factor in the dryer hose. The platforms don't allow the dryer hose to fit smoothly into its box. So after I attached them twice and dislocated them twice, trying to push the heavy washer and dryer back into place on the platforms, I got a little frustrated, and yeah. Anywho, one slight problem I did discover is I had to saw my perfectly good platform to make room for the hose. Well, let me show you. So I come around the back, stood on my head, and have sawed out this piece here. And also a piece on the other side there. So let me interject here for just a second. Those holes I cut, they didn't work. The whole purpose of me doing that is because I was too lazy to unload the washing machine from the platform. I ended up having to unload the washing machine from the platform and cut the openings bigger because I didn't factor in the dryer hose. Don't make that mistake. Let's get back to me. And you can't see those. You're not going to be able to see those from the front. It's not going to matter. It's just the principle of it for me, I think, than anything. But we'll come back when we're a little further along. Like with the dryer hose engaged. Okay, guys. We have the washer and dryer on the platform. Thankfully, I'm happy to report the dryer vent is now attached. I would love to show you, but I can't breathe on it. So you'll just have to take my word for it. Now, we're going to try to get the top on. So at this point, I should really just, insert clown music, because me trying to handle this board, get it in the opening, over top the washer and dryer, but around the metal racking that I didn't take down, all while making sure it's facing the right direction, was nearly impossible. But somehow, some way, I managed to get it in there. I'm just not really quite sure how. My problem's getting worse by the second. Put the doors on. I know what you're saying. Lee, you should take it outside to the garage and cut it. Lee, you should take the door off that you spent 20 minutes fighting to get on. Lee, you might accidentally hit the washer. Yeah, I'm cutting the sucker. So I know. It wasn't exactly as I planned. But I'm not trying to recreate the wheel. It's my laundry room. I gotta get back to painting. Well, guys, that's a wrap. Laundry room's done. Photos enclosed. We've had a lot of hurdles in this project. A lot of problems that we had to work around, but wait. You did not believe I was about to leave that laundry room looking like that, did you? With that little bitty cutout spot in the corner? You didn't really think I was going to leave it like that, did you? You thought that. You thought I was going to leave it that way. You ought to be ashamed. It's not the way we do projects in this house. Let me show you. Can't believe you thought I was gonna leave here with that little cubby hole cut out down there like that. I can't believe you thought that. Doesn't that look so much better? In case you were wondering, yes, I can still get in there. Just like so. So guys, we had quite a few trials and tribulations to come over in this project, but I feel like I persevered through them all, and I'm very happy with the finished look. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button below, but you can't stop there. It's a two-step process, okay? You have to hit the bell notification right next to the subscribe button, because by hitting the bell, it lets you know when we post crazy videos. If you don't hit the bell, then you're never gonna know. So, two-step process, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Toodles.